The exit statement was coded twice in the paragraph named "What Happened." When this paragraph is performed, will we see both displays or just the first display? In other words, what happens on line 10? Does it leave the paragraph? Continue watching to learn what happened. This is Dinosaur Parkour. Faster, better, mainframe programming. I'm Chris P. Fried. Please click that icon on the lower right to subscribe. Let's find out what happened when that code is executed. Submit the test job. Job number is 3967. Job shows as complete in SDSF. Use a question mark to expand it. Select Assist Out. Both displays occurred. The compiler did not generate an exit point for the exit statement on line 10. To better understand what the compiler does when it sees exit, we need to look at the reference manual. The exit plus period is the format 1 or the simple version. FYI, this is the only format for COBOL 4.2 and prior. In COBOL 5 and 6, the exit statement now has multiple formats. That last line is the important line. The format 1 exit statement is treated as a continue statement. Any statements following the exit statement are executed. Ding, ding. Treated as a continue statement. That does not sound like a verb, which triggers the compiler to generate an exit point. This is what the manual says about continue. The continue statement is a no operation statement. Continue indicates that no executable instruction is present. As weird as it sounds, exit is not an exit. It is a do-nothing statement. Do-nothing things can be useful. IEF BR14 is a do-nothing utility that is very useful in JCL. Many languages have a no operation instruction. It appears that COBOL has two, exit and continue. What purpose does the exit statement perform? We need to review the description from the reference manual again. The format 1 exit statement enables you to assign a procedure name to a given point. What is a procedure name? Procedure name can be a section name or a paragraph name. The information box makes it clear that a paragraph name is expected. Consider the following code. 3 paragraphs, a period-only paragraph, a normal paragraph that does something, it has a display, and the third paragraph uses the exit plus period to terminate the otherwise empty paragraph. The compiler issued a warning for the period-only paragraph. The warning said that no statements were found between the two periods, followed by an informational message in the next paragraph which says that the prior paragraph was empty. The exit period paragraph does not get any warning or informational messages. The purpose of the exit statement is to allow programmers to define empty paragraphs without triggering messages from the compiler. Now you know that exit is not an exit. Thank you for watching.